Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to give away a few points about the recently one particular stock, Adani Enterprises, is facing a setback due to the recently hold IPO by SEBI. Its IPO, Adani Wilmar Limited, is hold on by SEBI. So, how this SEBI's action and this news is going to affect this Adani Enterprises Limited, which we will see in this video. So, before going to in such details, I would like to give a few points about the trading tips platforms we are giving through WhatsApp by Bull Street. So we have three kinds of trading tips platforms in WhatsApp in live market. One is Superfans Option. Superfans Option is a low budget option trading tips giving platform. So in which we give low budget option trading tips in live market with entry and target and related updates if needed. See the how this is a low budget option trading, because the working capital is only around 10k is needed. So such a low working capital can be used for stock option trading to reap great profits. Most of the time, the given tips, the investment by the tips is gets doubled. Sometimes it gets tripled. Sometimes it goes elsewhere. So the subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription by Google Pay, GPay, or Phone Pay, or Amazon Pay, or Paytm to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. There is only one WhatsApp number. There is only one Bull Street. There is only one person, Vijay. I am only looking after all these activities. And second Superfans is Superfans Equity. This is a safe trading tips will be given for those who are having sufficient amount of working capital, say 50k and above. For them, we give highly speculative trading tips and operated calls in equity. And we also give investment based calls in equity for positional trading, to have few days holding, to have few weeks holding, rarely to have few months holding to reap out a great profit. The subscription to join Superfans Equity is 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. And another one is we have Superfans Penny. The penny is nothing but we give stock recommendations from the price range of 5 paise, yes, 5 paise to a maximum of 20 rupees. Rarely we pick up some stocks up to 30 rupees. So these penny stocks are not tradable. You can buy and stay invested for few years to reap out a great fortune, a great profit for you and your family. The subscription to join Superfans Penny is also 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. And another one important announcement: we do not have any trading tips platform, any premium group, any VIP group in Telegrams. We do not have any activities in Telegram. All of our activities are only through WhatsApp and blog site. Okay, join Superfans option as early as possible. It gives fabulous profits. You can make consistent profits to enhance your working capital. Now we go to the video. So in this video, I seen that SEBI is put on hold of Adani Wilmar proposed IPO because of the foreign joint venture is about 50% in this issue. So we are not concerned with the reasons why SEBI is putting on hold. We are not looking on that part. So we look only the pricing and how the stock is going to be affected. If the stock is affected, how its stock's going to get a low price, or if any bounce back of the stock is come in the market, if there is any push up in the market, how the stock is going to reach a higher price. So in my finding, I like to say there are two different distinct prices with respect to the recently closed price of Adani Enterprises Limited. It is closed around 1,460 rupees, I think so. So if the setback is severe, if the Adani Enterprises Limited is worst affected by this news and related newses, it may even go to the 1,340 level and get some support. Suppose the stock is ignoring this news, operators are pushing up this stock, It may and moreover, the short covering is pushing up the stock because we are nearing to the expiry of the August month series. This Adani Enterprise Limited stock may reach 1535 level and more, even more. See, this is the state of the Adani Enterprises Limited. I'll put a separate video on how Adani stocks are in the market, how Adani stocks are sustained in the market with respect to various news on them. It will have it a separate exclusive video. So this is about the Adani Enterprises Limited. So put this Adani Enterprises Limited in your watch list and watch its movement on both directions. And if there is any speculation, if there is any spurt, if there is any momentum, sudden momentum arises in the market, pick up the stock, make an attempt to create great profit. So thank you very much. I'm Vijay. Don't forget to subscribe to Superfans option. So it is giving very good results. You can see the past performance at the end of this video. Thank you very much.